the Foss Hotel. It is snowing, as you can see. We lost our drone yesterday. We were caught in a snowstorm, but we found it in the middle of a national park. So go have a look at that vlog if you haven't seen it. Pretty epic. But yeah, we're gonna head off today to go see a waterfall. We have about a 3 to 4 hour drive to our next destination, but we have a few stops in between. So I have always wanted to do this. We have just stopped at one of the most beautiful waterfalls, but it is snowing like crazy, so I'm gonna walk out and run to go and have a look at it. Unfortunately, no drone clips. It's so sad. Alright, try and do this as fast as I can. Crazy cool. Almost falling everywhere. Smile! So this is the infamous waterfall. What is it called? It's called Godafoss. Godafoss. And apparently it's one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Europe. I'm just falling. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, so yeah, it's apparently one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Iceland, but it's just covered in snow. Snow, snow, snow. Always happens to me. Can you stop filming? God. Stop it! I'm zooming out. Coming to you from Kirkjufellsfoss. Again, I have no idea how to pronounce these names. It is absolutely freezing. I think it is -5 out here. We drove about an hour and a half from our hotel to get here, and to be honest, it looks nothing like in the pictures. It was pretty disappointing, but I will quickly show you. Okay, so that was so windy. We have got the drone in the air. We can't bring it back. So we're driving to try and find the drone again.
After that right
So
see if we can see. Keep bringing it down, Chris.
we found the drone. We're gonna land it. It's gonna be all good.
1.5 K.
The worst, we should have listened to the signs. It said no droning. Oh well, we will find it.
Oh, you can keep driving out there, Jared. I'll film it.
In the sweating You live